China's rare earth export controls, strategic power, or economic gamble. China's decision to tighten export controls on rare earth elements and magnet-related materials has had far-reaching implications. While it strengthens Beijing's geopolitical position amid tensions with the U.S., it also disrupts global industries and creates new risks for China's economy. More than just trade policy, China produces about 60 to 70% of the world's rare earth ski materials for electric vehicles, wind turbines, smartphones, and defense technologies. By limiting their export, Beijing is signaling that it's willing to use its dominance over critical resources as leverage in global power dynamics. These restrictions come in response to recent U.S. tariffs. New licensing rules and tighter quotas for rare earth magnets are part of China's strategic countermeasures. The timing reflects Beijing's desire to assert pressure while negotiations are ongoing. Global impact, supply chains shaken. The effect was immediate. Within 2 months, exports of Chinese rare earth magnets dropped 75%, forcing some European and American auto parts makers to halt or slow production. Industries that rely heavily on these materials were left scrambling. Ironically, the damage wasn't limited to foreign businesses. Inside China, many small and mid-sized manufacturers cut production by up to 15%. With global demand weakening, domestic suppliers warned of revenue losses and long-term instability. The push for alternatives. China's move has accelerated international efforts to diversify rare earth supply chains. The US, EU, Australia, and India are now investing in mining and refining capabilities. Although rare earths aren't truly rare, processing them is complex, costly, and environmentally sensitive. Still, the push to reduce reliance on China is gaining traction. If successful, this could reduce China's influence in the future and reshape global trade dynamics around critical minerals. Risks of overplaying the hand. While Beijing may gain short-term diplomatic leverage, it risks encouraging global decoupling. Weaponizing trade can lead others to build supply chains that no longer depend on China, undermining the very control China seeks to use. Investor confidence is also at risk. The unpredictability of China's export policies makes long-term partnerships more uncertain and may discourage new business ventures. Conclusion: a delicate balance. China's rare earth export controls illustrate a classic double-edged sword. They offer geopolitical strength today but risk long-term isolation and economic cost. If China seeks lasting leadership in global trade, it must balance strategic power with economic cooperation. Coercion might deliver short-term wins, but sustainable influence requires trust, stability, and open trade.